Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to give a small project to you again. So this is the fourth project of this course. In the last videos or section, we have covered a lot of good details on how to create a video, how to record your video, how to add subtitles or captions, and also how to add music to your video and how to export it onto your computer. Now, what you have to do is, if you have created some videos from previous sections, use those videos to to narrate, to do some narration, and also to add some music, and also add captions to it, and export that video onto your computer. If you want to share it on Instagram, you can also share it on Instagram, or if you want to share it on YouTube, you can also share it on YouTube. So the project or the task for this section is, from the previous videos that you have created, you have to add narration. It is really good to add your own voice instead of giving computer voice. If you can give your own voice, it will add a lot of authenticity to your video and the viewers or the audience will like it. So add narration if possible, add music from YouTube music library, and also add captions to it, and edit it and export the video and save it on, share it on social media platforms as per your interest. So this is the task for this section. All right, so this is the final video that I have created. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. So do the same thing for your for your video as well. All right, I hope you will finish this project. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.